Today in the news, Texas's surging coronavirus numbers will not slow the state's reopening, as Governor Abbott emphasizes face coverings and social distancing as the remedy. The largest pediatric hospital in the United States has begun admitting adult patients to provide more hospital capacity in Texas, and the City of Dallas Hospital Capacity Report. Today is June 24th, 2020, and this is Dallas Weekly News. Hello, I'm your host, Deontay Toombs, and this is Dallas Weekly News. Texas's surging coronavirus numbers will not slow the state's reopening, as Republican Governor Greg Abbott on Monday instead prescribed an emphasis on face coverings and social distancing to curtail sobering trends, including hospitalization rates that have doubled since Memorial Day. Abbott did not announce any new measures to reverse what he called unacceptable trends, as Texas reached an 11th consecutive day of record COVID-19 hospitalizations. And while he didn't rule out reimposing lockdown orders in Texas, describing it as a last resort, he said the virus did not require choosing between jobs and health. He instead emphasized long-established voluntary measures, such as staying home if possible. Wearing a mask has become a political statement during the pandemic throughout the U.S., and Abbott is not requiring them in the public, even as big cities last week began racing to impose mask mandates on businesses. On Monday, Nueces County, home to Corpus Christi, became the largest Texas county to order that businesses require employees and customers to wear masks. The order was to take effect on Friday. On Monday, state health officials reported 3,711 hospitalizations, setting a record for the 11th consecutive day with a single-day jump of 302 new patients. The 10 new fatalities reported Monday were the fewest reported in a week. Pressed on what he would consider putting restrictions back into place, Abbott said another doubling of new cases, hospitalizations, and infection rates over the next month would create an urgent situation that would require action, but not offering specific information. The largest pediatric hospital in the United States said Tuesday it has begun admitting adult patients to provide more hospital capacity in Texas, where coronavirus cases and hospitalizations continue to soar. Texas Children's Hospital said it was admitting adult patients across the campus to free up more hospital bed space in the Houston area as well. The number of COVID-positive hospital patients in Harris County, which encompasses Houston as a whole, nearly tripled since May 31st. Also Monday, Texas reached an 11th consecutive day of record COVID-19 hospitalizations. Governor Greg Abbott called the trend unacceptable, but still did not announce any new measures to slow the spread of the virus. For most people, the coronavirus causes mild or moderate symptoms that clear up within weeks. But for others, especially older adults and people with existing health problems, the highly contagious virus can cause severe illness, including pneumonia, and be fatal. And now, the City of Dallas Hospital Capacity Report. This has been Dallas Weekly News for June 24th, 2020. Find these stories and more on dallasweekly.com. Follow us on social media on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. I've been your host, Deontay Toombs. Stay home and stay safe.